Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It with a Glitter Girl collaboration. This is our 4th of July themed manicure. I'm doing red, white, and this nail will be white, red, white, blue nails. I'm using mostly SheModern products. That way I got the hollow from the red hollow glittery color. The blue, I'm using blue navy glitter color. I cannot find my blue hollow nowhere. I'm not sure what I did with it. I've searched my tote and yeah, I can't find it anywhere. Just to make this more opaque, I put on a coat of red Beetles polish. I'm using the red hollow. Tap it along the nail. A little bit more down here. And this does get all over the cuticle, so I warn you now. You will be taking your nail off your practice hand to swipe it all away. Just doing this does not take it all off the hand. Leave that there. Try to swipe the ball. And here's where I had to get an alcohol swipe pad. Get this, get all the glitter off your nail, or your finger, your skin. Because I am a messy girl. There, now we can reinsert our nail. There we go. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Make sure she is all in place. Now for the ring finger. I'm not done with the blues, but for right now we are. We are going to take our, where did I put it? I have got a palette here with some SheModern glue gel. I am going to attempt to draw some fireworks. And put some, I have what I call sparkle. It is for a car design. But we're going to hope it's going to make some fireworks here. That's what we're hoping for. That's my plan anyways, and this is putting on some clear stuff, so I'm having a hard time seeing it. And I am not the best at making fireworks, so I warn you now. I just hope they don't look like snowflakes. So I'm going to cure this. Put that in there for a quick 60. Could even do a flash cure at 30, which is what I think I will do. I'm going to clean my brush with the alcohol prep pad. I am a diabetic, so I have plenty of these around the house. Plenty of them. So while that is in here curing, we are going to get, this is my sparkle. It is hollow and it is for car paint. But I seen it and fell in love with it, and I figured I just, whoops. I had to have some. Had to have some. So I'm going to don't know how well this is going to come out. So I'm going to put a red one here. I already put the cap back on the blue, unfortunately. So, and I know this is probably gonna look like a blob. Get your brush. Well, that don't look too bad. And clean this finger off now. Let me get the alcohol prep right again. Thought I had more out, but I don't. So excuse me while I get some. Don't forget to check the other Glitter Girls out. In the comments, the first comment will be one pinned with the playlist. In the description box will be a list of all the ladies who took place. What am I doing? Get myself confused. Clean that glitter all off the nail. Excuse me, excuse me. There we go. That don't look too bad, does it? It's kind of cute. So to save my sparkle, I'm putting the lid back on because I know me and spilling things. So we're going to take that. Dump my palette. We're all through with those. Whoops, we got to clean this one. Let me do that really quick. Clean this. The SheModern Grip Gel Glue off your palette. Clean your whole palette while you're at it. Hope you support every one of us in the Glitter Girls, that you watch our videos in full. I would greatly appreciate it, and I know everybody else would as well. Now we are going to top coat. Give these all a quick brush. And I have got some top coat. I don't have much of it left, but I'm trying to use it up so I can just get rid of the bottle. I like a really shiny top coat, and I have a couple, but I'm almost out of those too. That's why I don't use them. I don't. One of them is I just can't afford to replenish it. It's a little bit too expensive for my pocket, but I did like it a lot. So now I'm just using Modelones and Beetles top coat. So yeah, hope you find this cute, which I'm not done. I'm going to put some stars on the blue nails. Just want to get a good healthy top coat on them. Hope everyone has a safe 4th of July. Remember, the pandemic is not over with yet. So please keep wearing your masks, keep practicing social distancing. That way, save your own life as well as everyone else's. I'm applying the stars to the nails now. On wet top coat. And that way they can cure into it. Ooh, we got a hair on the end of the index finger. Start down there. Work my way up. I think these stars are really super cute. They are also from SheModern. They came in this little pot with stars, moons, and hearts. And I think they're really super cute. Really super cute. Oops. Oops, there's something on the tip of my picker. Looks like fuzz. And we are down to our very last star. I think those are super, super cute. We're gonna pop these in the lamp for a full cure. 60 seconds. I might want to retop the stars, I'm not certain yet. Oh, I've got 4 of these. I thought I only had 3. Huh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure you check out my channel for giveaways. I have a summer of giveaways going on. I'm trying to reach my 1K also. If you could help me out there and haven't subscribed already, then please do so. I would greatly appreciate that. I like your comments. Love, love, love the comments. I love the interaction with all the viewers, the subscribers. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the mani for today. It is almost done on the lamp. Here we go. And here we go. Here is our SheModern. Not SheModern. Well, it is a SheModern manicure. But it's our 4th of July Glitter Girls collaboration manicure. I think that turned out really super cute. So you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of said mani. Give you a close-up look. This kind of looks like a lizard, the red firework here. But I think it turned out cute. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.